Hi everybody, welcome back. I have a little unboxing to do. Well, I say little, it's an enormous box, very light, cumbersome, and this is all the stuff that I've had printed recently for my website, Hobbybox, and it's going to be really hard to get in without stabbing me in the process. Right, that might work. It's a nice big box, but I think there's things in there that they have to keep flat, so that's probably why. Okay, where is it going to go? How can I put it? Perch it there. That didn't quite work, did it? Only half worked. There we go. Lots of packaging. Okay. Ooh. Yay. What have we got here? Business cards. Woohoo! I think these are the business cards. Let's have a little looky. This is where I find out they're all wrong. All wrong. Okay. Here we are. So, I did them on one side, and it is Hobby Rocks on one side, the web address, and what's that say? See it, mirror image, wide range of crafts on that side. So that's it. That could have been done with being a little bit more centered, but that'll do. Got a lot of them. And Hobby Rocks bumper sticker. I have 1, 2, 3. Got 3 of them, 2 cars. So thank you, merci, gracias, and all that stuff. And I have a pack of stickers. I designed these. Look, wee, pack of stickers. Expect to be seeing them pretty soon. Now I don't know what that is, but it's taped in. Oh, hang on. This is, the whole thing has to come up. It's so big. Oh, hang on. Maybe not. Maybe it does. Is that just a bottom reinforcer? Anything else in there? Get rid of the box. No, the box is gone. This is the advert things, I think. Where's my scissors gone? Here they are. It's in between 2 sheets of card, so we have to get in somehow. There's 1. There's 2. Oh, hang on, and it's decided to fall out the bottom. Oh wow, because the whole thing fell off. Right, here we go. This is an advert for a window. There we go. There should be 2, but are there 2? I think there might be 1. So Hobby Rocks, the web address, and the little symbol. Hang on. There's an extra bit attached, so we can get rid of that. There we are. Window ad. But which window do I put it on? It's mainly, I think, for a car door, but I don't have to do that, I suppose, but I guess I will. It might be a bit big for my car. I thought there were 2 of these, but there's 1. Anyway, I just needed to make it up, really, to get the free shipping. So those are my bits and bobs. I actually really like them, I have to say. Stickers look fun. I don't know how many are in here. I thought I ordered 2 lots of stickers. I'll have to have a look at the order. I don't like that packaging much. It's kind of a bit dangerous. I don't know how many packs, cards of stickers are in here. But there we go. They're free. Free as a bird. There we go. Got quite a few really. So just little stickers to put on stuff. We've got 1, 2, 3 pages. There they are. Little rainbows with Hobby Rocks. Wow. it's a bit late for me to put them. Maybe not. I've got some parcels in the car, so you'll be the first people when you see your parcel to have one of these on. Heaven knows what I'm going to do with all of these. There's so many of them. There's so many. I'll just put them around, but I needed to give some to people anyway that wanted to. But they've got my little logo that was designed for me with a little dragon crocheting, and that was designed for me by someone called Chloe Hopgood, and she did one for Crochet Rocks for my crochet channel, and she also did one for Hobby Rocks, so that's cool. They're the same, but just the writing obviously is different. So put that packaging over there, and that's my little thank you card. And these are my bumper stickers. Now, I haven't seen a bumper sticker in quite some time. I can remember back in the 70s, bumper stickers were all the rage. Everybody had bumper stickers, and they were usually things like, you know, honk if you want to go faster or something. I don't know, but bumper stickers were everywhere. So there's, I don't know what that is. Then there's the sticker. We've got this just back in, I don't know what it looks like. It also comes out. Maybe you can put it over it. I don't know. Perhaps you can put it over it for protection. There's no kind of instructions, but I think we just peel it off and put it on. Maybe this goes over the top because it does have a circle, well, an oval shape. There is an oval shape. See, if you can see the oval. If anybody knows what on earth you're meant to do with this, then let me know before I mess it up. But I do have a couple. I bought there's three. I don't know whether there's three. I got one for my car, and I thought maybe Gary would put one on. Oh, I thought maybe Gemma might. She's got a red car. So yeah, maybe that's my idea around the three of them. I just wish that they had instructions, or as I like to call them, destructions. Oh, it's really hot today, guys. So that's my little unboxing. Now, for those of you who've been worried about my little cat, she's going to the vet today. She did perk up a little bit, and then this morning, when after I did my chats and everything else, she was back to being just really floppy, laying around, laying on a cold surface, not doing anything. And I know it's been hot, but other cats have been running around like there's no tomorrow, and she hasn't, and she's been doing very, very little, just laying around, looking very sad every time I look at her. So it's not that she's off her food and her third eyelid hasn't come down. The only thing that worries me is if there's something wrong with her eye, because she had glaucoma in the other eye, and you know, they said if the other one were to get that, she wouldn't survive. So that's the only thing that does worry me. So I'm taking her to the vet today at 5:30. It's funny really, because the pet carrier, I couldn't see it the other day. Gary told me where it was, and it was buried under some stuff back out in the caravan. So I got it out and I brought it in the house and I dusted it off, and she took one look at it and decided to show me there was absolutely nothing wrong with her. So she was like walking around the house and meowing and going outside, and I thought, oh, that's too little too late, cat, because if I don't take her today, it's emergency services all over the weekend, you know. So she's going at 5:30 this afternoon to have a little check over, make sure that she's all right. So I will let you know how we get on with that. But I did, I know that she's been plagued with little visitors, and I did. She has a monthly treatment that gets sent to the door, and they're always late, so it's never really working, never really on top of it. So I bought some extra ones, and so I'm going to make sure it's on the calendar and she gets it dead on the day, and that hopefully will help. For some reason they're always late sending it out, which is very annoying, and it's not like I don't bother, you know, she has it every month. So I've also got spray for where she lays and around the house. I had that forever, so we're doing that because it is the season of them. But that doesn't normally affect her to be like that as well. So she's going to be checked out later on, so I'll let you know how she gets on. So I hope you like my stickers. I'm really pleased with those, my little stickers, and my business cards. Well, there's a massive box full, and when they said there was 25, I really thought that was just a very small little amount, but that's not 25. Surely that's maybe 125 in there. It'll last me forever. Anyway, thank you for watching, and at least I've got some packaging in case I need any for my hobby rocks. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and well, you never know, you might end up with one of these somehow. Bye for now.